what we got this morning from Lazada.
Yay!
We're so excited to open this new baby. Look what we got this morning from Lazada. Unboxing of... What are we going to unbox today?
It's Starbucks.
Yay! Thank you, Starbucks. I'm excited to see what this new baby looks like.
Wow, it's properly.
Wow, many papers. Many
It's
shredded
paper honeycomb.
carton.
What they call this honeycomb?
I'm not sure what are those. Okay.
Wow, it's secured. Let's open it now.
What's that? So excited. Dun, taran, tanan. Wow. I love the color. OMG. See. See this new baby from Starbucks. But this through Lazada.
Lazada. It's
So
15
cute,
ounce.
no? 15?
Ounce. It's mocha color. Mocha.
Mocha. I so love the color. See? And it is not that, yeah, it is not that heavy. And I can still hold it with my little hands. Little hand. Sorry. Open, open, open. What's inside? Let me see the interior. Ah, see this one. Mocha, mocha, mocha.
Care
Starbucks.
instructions.
Wow, they have the care instruction from Starbucks. And the inside is made of... What is the materials used? See what's
I think
inside.
it's steel or
Ah,
aluminum.
I still love this one.
I think it's aluminum.
I thought this one will be big and heavy, but
Yeah.
in actual it is, for me, it's lightweight. And it can fit your, for those who have small hands, it can fit in your palm. And OMG, I so love this. I think it is like not prints, right? It is embossed. You can feel the texture.
Yes.
It's not
Rough.
like prints, right? It is somewhat rough. Tan, 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 tan. The heart, it can't be seen on the screen. What is that one? Should be like this. Thank you, Starbucks, for a job well done for delivering, and I so love the actual. This is good for... this
Warm
one
and
is
cold.
for warm and cold. Suitable for warm and cold. Mm. See, it's so cute. So this one can last for hot. We haven't seen the how long it would last if we will put hot water inside. Around how many hours? It can stay warm. But this one, it's so aesthetic. Aesthetic and minimalist. Am I right? Thank you, Starbucks. Thank you, Lazada. God bless.
It's made stainless steel.
Made of?
Stainless steel.
This one it is around the stainless steel tumbler mocha neutral summer. Is this new collection?
Yes. New.
Oh,
Maybe, I think it's
it's around
part of
this
their new
much,
collection.
guys. So I haven't tried it. We'll post the reviews, actual one, if we have already used this one. But for my first impression, I think I will surely love this. Thank you. Unboxing for Starbucks.
Yes.
What's this one? Stainless steel.
15 ohms.
15 ounce
Stainless
tumbler
steel.
mocha neutral summer.
It is summer. Summer.
Starbucks. Saranghaeyo. To God be the glory. Bye, guys. Starbucks. Thank you. Lazada. Saranghaeyo.